In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Deepseek. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to incorporate your images seamlessly into Deepseek, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together in a clear and simple way. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Deepseek website. Once you're there, you'll notice it's designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you can swiftly find your way around. At this point, you should already have a Deepseek account. If not, pause here and take a moment to set that up to ensure you're ready to proceed. Now that you're logged in, turn your attention to the main interface where you usually type in prompts. It's the heart of Deepseek's interactive features. Move your mouse to the message bar. This is where the magic happens. Every interaction you have with Deepseek, whether it's submitting text or uploading images, happens through this bar. Within this message area, you need to look for an icon that resembles a paperclip or sometimes a plus sign. These icons signal the option to attach files, similar to adding attachments in an email. Click on this icon. It's your gateway to uploading images. After clicking the paperclip or plus icon, a window will pop up on your screen. This is your file browser window, which allows you to explore files stored on your computer. Spend a moment here to navigate through your folders. Knowing where your image is saved in advance can save you a bit of time. Once you find the image you want to upload, click on it to select it. It's worth mentioning that you can usually see a thumbnail or preview of the image before confirming your choice, just to double check that it's the correct file. Once you've selected your image, follow through with the process by clicking any confirm or open buttons your system may prompt you with. Depending on your computer and browser settings, these steps might look slightly different, but their function remains the same: to confirm your choice to upload the image to Deepseek. After completion, your chosen image should now be attached to the message bar. From here, you can continue to type any accompanying text or inquiries you have and then go ahead and send everything off to Deepseek. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to uploading images to Deepseek. Understanding where to click and what to expect takes the guesswork out of the process, allowing you to focus on what's most important, the content you want to share and explore. Thank you for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, consider checking out other Deepseek tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy uploading!